Hi, Jason Ganahl, Gquebbq. Today I'm going to take 3 of my favorite things: surf, turf, and burgers. I'm going to put them all together and make the surf and turf burger. If you want to see how I do that, it's coming up right now. If you're like me, you like a little heat to your food. It's no secret that a little bit of spice opens up your taste buds and lets all the flavors in. Today I'm going to take a traditional shrimp, kick it up by adding a little bit of heat to it. So let's fire up the heat and throw on some meat. The meat today I'm using is going to be 80-20 ground beef. I'm going to season it up with 1/3 kosher salt, 1/3 Gquebbq the rub, and 1/3 black pepper. Because we're going to be making smash burgers, we're going to put the seasoning on once they go onto the griddle. For the sauce on this burger today, I'm going to use about 2/3 cup of mayonnaise. I'm going to let you in a little secret. I'm a Miracle Whip guy. Let me know down in the comments, do you like Miracle Whip or mayonnaise? I always get crushed when I tell people I like Miracle Whip. This is Miracle Whip. 2/3 cup mayonnaise, about 2 tablespoons of spicy brown mustard, keeping with that spicy theme. A little bit of garlic, some 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, and a little bit of lemon juice. I put my hand over it to catch the seeds. Nobody wants lemon seeds in their burger. I'm going to try something I've never tried before today. I'm going to use a brown paper bag to smash down these smash burgers. I like to use wax paper. However, I have a box that's empty with no wax paper up in my kitchen. Holly, next time, throw the box out after you use the wax paper. If you can relate to having a house full of kids that don't clean up after themselves, let me know down in the comments below. Griddle's nice and hot. That's going to create that really good crust. And crust is where all the flavor is on these burgers. Oh yeah. That sizzle, that's what we're going for. Fingers crossed. Let's see if this works. Success! Holly, you are off the hook. Get these seasoned up. Turf's rocking and rolling. Let's get the surf going. Put down a little bit of butter. And of course, I always like to add oil to the butter. That keeps it from burning. We're going to season up the shrimp with Gquebbq the rub. Not only is it going to give it delicious taste, but it's also going to give it really good color. And then, because it's a spicy shrimp, we're going to add 2 more ingredients. The first one is cayenne. This is where all the heat's going to come from. And then the second ingredient is going to be some crushed red pepper flakes. Not a whole lot of heat from these, but it's going to add nice color. Shrimps are about 80% done, I can tell, just by the color on them. We're going to add a little bit of butter and then some lemon juice, and this will create a sauce for the shrimps. I'm also going to grate some of this lemon zest to create a citrus pop. Burgers look like they're ready to be flipped. Let's see how we did. Beautiful. Excellent. Really good crust on these 2. Not quite as good down here. That lets me know that these 2 spots on the griddle is definitely hotter than the low end down here. But still, all 3 will work and all 3 will be tasty. These shrimps are looking good. One final thing I'm going to add, and that's the garlic. I like adding the garlic right at the very end, the final 10% of the cook. That way you get the garlic flavor without burning it. Let's get some cheese down on the burgers. I'm using provolone. Feel free to use whatever cheese you like. We're going to toast up our bun. A big hearty burger like this needs a good hearty bun. I'm using a brioche bun. Got a little extra garlic I'm going to put down there too. Get a garlic butter bun. Shrimps look good. One final toss. Oh yeah, oh yeah, incredible smell. It's unfair that you guys cannot smell this. Beautiful looking shrimps, look at those. Got that extra pop from the cayenne, some good citrus flavor in the butter to kind of balance it all out. Let's check our bun. Got a little toast action on the bun. Let's assemble this bad boy. Put down some of our mayonnaise mustard spread. 1 piece of lettuce. I like using something fatty down here on the bottom. That acts as a barrier for when all the juices and stuff drip down. It's not going to drip all the way through the bun. That layer of fat through the mayonnaise will help protect it, as will the lettuce. Let's bring our patties over. Patties went a little bit longer than I would like, but that's okay. Bring this guy over. I don't know if I should make this a double or a triple. Let's go big. Let's make it a triple. Big stack. We got our turf. Let's add the surf. See how many of these I can fit on here. 5 I think I can do, 6 will be tough. Let's see. 5, let's see if we can get 6. 6, voila. Got a little bit of that sauce the surf and turf was cooking in. Just gonna drizzle that over the top. That's butter, that's garlic, that's lemon, and that's absolutely delicious. Take a look. Wow, look at that. Turf, surf, burger. Man, that looks good enough to eat. Now for my favorite part, the taste test. That spice of the cayenne is just what those shrimps need. Definitely more turf than surf, but something you gotta try. Jason Ganahl, GQuebbq, and I'll see you on the next one.